Welcome aboard the Silver Star. Ready to ride? Choose your seat.
Okay, so I just boarded the Silver Star from Tampa, headed up north to Greensboro. I do have to do one transfer, so actually I'm getting off at Cary, North Carolina. I've already made my dinner reservation for 7 o'clock. I picked the salmon. Bit of a gamble in my opinion, but we'll see how it goes. So far, my first impression, the room is really nice. Actually, it's exceeded my expectations by far. Thoroughly impressed. This ticket cost me $312, I believe, and that will get me from Tampa all the way to Greensboro. So with a ticket, you get your bags included, food, drinks, transportation, and lodging. So if you think about it, that basically makes this train a resort. Now, how many stars does this resort have? Well, that's still up to debate. But so far, I am really impressed, and I think it was well worth the $300. I don't know that I could consider in the future spending more than that. I've seen roomettes go from anywhere from $300 to $1,500, and I just couldn't imagine spending that kind of money. But to each their own. How you know you're in Florida? We're riding. We're cruising, actually. Going about an average of, 55 to 60 miles per hour. The roomette can sleep 2 people, one on the lower bed and one on the upper bed. The room also includes 4 outlets, a large tray table, plenty of overhead lighting, and a fold-out sink. It is plenty spacious for one person. I think even 2 smaller people wouldn't feel claustrophobic in here whatsoever. It's official. The bathroom on the Silver Star is much nicer than the bathroom on the coast on the Starlight. If you would like, you can check out my last Amtrak Coast Starlight video. I'll leave the link in the description. It's almost time for dinner.
There you go. Thank you. Enjoy.
So, dinner time. Let's see what we got. I will let you guys know how it tastes. Alright, let's see. So far it's a little tough. So I think it's about what you'd expect from a salmon on a train. Not the worst meal I've ever eaten, but nowhere near the best. I took a bit of a gamble going for a salmon. It didn't pay off. Still not the worst food I've ever had. I'm gonna finish this up, and I'll see you guys later. It's already pitch black out, so things are gonna wind down. Now it's time to get ready for bed. here's where the magic happens. It is now time for bed. It's like 9:30. I'm gonna go to sleep, see if I can get any sleep. Good night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Got a 1 hour wake up call before my stop and got breakfast delivered. So another meal. I got the omelet and got a muffin as well. It looks pretty good, so I'm excited. I'm kind of sad. I don't want this experience to end. It's been so nice. If you can find a good enough deal, jump on it, because it is a great experience. So much nicer than taking coach. Overall, I've been thoroughly impressed with the service, and I think it was well worth the money. Got it. Thank you. There she goes. Okay, so I just got off at Cary and now I'm on my way to catch my transfer to Greensboro. Okay, it's almost time to board. Okay, I boarded. I'm on the train now, and I'm headed to Greensboro. See you guys there. Pretty good. Okay, so we have about an hour ride on this train to Greensboro. I've been enjoying the free beverages and the Wi-Fi, so we should be there shortly. Alright, I made it to Greensboro. You don't say anything? It's pretty cool those things. Alright, my sister's here now, so it's time to go. It's been a long journey. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.